Hi, it's Jen and Tammy, and we are so excited to show you something today that is a customer favorite.
Absolutely.
But with a new twist that makes it even cuter.
How can that be?
And this has been a lot of fun with a wire frame and just some simple strips. But we did something really fun to these. And how amazing to make this darling candy cane project in a few hours.
Oh, yes, definitely in an afternoon. Yeah.
Display on a door. Sure. I just see so many things. This is their new collection from Moda by Sweetwater.
Yes.
And this is called
On Dasher.
And wouldn't you know it, speaking of On Dasher and reindeer, you might have noticed this amazing quilt.
It's so
by
cute.
Coach House Designs. Barb there is an amazing designer, and we asked Barb if she would do an exclusive project for Shabby Fabrics, and this is what she came up with. And I don't know if you can see Rudolph. We have one with the red nose, okay? How adorable is this? By the time you're watching this, I hope this kit is still on the website. If you're now just watching this, get over there and grab that kit. You're going to want this kit. But how fun that they coordinate.
They do coordinate. I love that.
So we've done this before, but there's a little bit of a different twist on it.
Yes.
And Tammy's going to show us what that is. And I love, not every project needs to involve a sewing machine.
No, this doesn't.
No-sew project, right?
Exactly.
So tell us, how do we make this?
This is fun. We're going to take our fat quarters. We're going to use a tool called an Olfa pinking rotary blade.
Okay.
Look at the waves on this, Jen. Isn't that cool?
It is. And
it's so cool.
When I first saw the project after it was done, I was thinking, well, I've got a pinking. I've got this.
You have pinking shears? Yes.
But watch how Tammy quickly and efficiently with a ruler is able to cut these strips, because when I've always used pinking shears, I'm like this by hand. And my strip is waving all over the place. It's not the same width.
It's not straight, is it?
I love that this comes together faster.
2-inch strips. Here we go.
That's awesome.
Isn't that amazing?
Yes, and it's the same width, which gives you the same height.
All the way across your candy cane.
So,
that's right.
Yes,
that's right.
I think we all have these in our sewing
I have those, but I haven't used them for years.
Yeah, I'm going to put them over there. Just
put them over there. We're not touching that, Jen.
So if you like using a pinking blade in a rotary cutter, I just have an extra rotary cutter.
Yes, I do too.
And I leave the blade in. Or if you're not going to do it very frequently, it is easy to simply pop this out, change the blade, right?
Yeah,
not a big deal.
Super easy.
Switch out with your normal blade. So this, that's one of the things that's awesome about the Olfa 45 millimeter, the quick.
I love that quick change.
Done. It's
beautiful.
Done. So anyway.
Right there.
I just wanted to show you that. Sometimes you feel like, oh, I'm going to make these all the time. Have an extra rotary cutter. If it's not very frequently, change the blade.
Just change them out.
And they come in their own little container.
Yes, it has a case. So you have a place to store the blade that you take off of here while you're using this.
Keeps it sharp and safe away from the little ones.
Keeps it safe. That's right. Okay. So you want a refresher on how to do this?
I need a refresher on how to do this. You guys have all the fun doing this.
I know. I'm going to take our Wonder Clips. You know Wonder Clips, right? 1,000 uses.
Yes.
I love them. All right. So we're going to take this. We have 2 pieces of fabric, right sides together. And we're going to accordion fold this just like this.
This looks familiar to me.
This looks familiar now?
Yep.
Yep. I'm going to put my finger in the middle, turn it, and I'm just going to clip it with a Wonder Clip just to hang on to it. Just like that.
That pinked edge is adorable.
The pinked edge is so cool.
You know what else I noticed about pinked edge and why people use it is it reduces fraying.
The fraying.
You don't have this frayed mess.
You don't have all the strings and mess attached to this. I love that part.
Yes.
It's much cleaner.
Yep.
Okay, so then you have your frame.
Okay.
And in your pattern or your free download, if you're watching this and you're wanting this pattern, you might have a wire frame. If you don't, the kit comes with one.
Oh, nice.
Do you know that? Our kit comes with the wire frame.
Well, this is hard to find in the first place.
Very hard to find.
Especially at Christmas.
Especially at Christmas. That's right. That's right. So now we're going to take our strips.
Okay.
And we're going to loop them through.
So easy.
It really is.
I remember this from before.
Remember this part?
I do.
You gonna hold that down for me?
Yep.
Okay, thank you.
I'm going to be your helper.
Okay,
Because I'm
I like
offering
that.
moral support at this point.
Moral support is all
Right.
good. It's all good. And this just goes through the middle. And I'm just going to grab a hold of it and pull. That's all there is to it. And you pull, and you just put these strips on there.
Look at that. Is adorable.
And you just keep on going all the way up.
And
you
when
do
you-
red, white, red,
Yeah.
white, all the way across, just like that.
We'll
there
show
you
that
go.
from above.
Turn it over.
So you can see this.
Perfect.
Of course, our pattern
Yes.
includes.
So you can see all our little
Yep.
strips on there. See that?
It is adorable.
So cute.
I love, like I said, when we fluff it up. When we did this the first time, which has been years ago now, and we didn't do the pinked edge, when we were fluffing it up, I noticed the fraying beginning.
We had to
Because you're
start-
touching it. It's
we had to
cotton
start
fabric.
trimming it.
Yep.
Yes, yes. I love sitting down, getting ready for Christmas. The children are gathered around and they're bored and they want to help.
Okay.
This is the perfect thing.
Except for the cutting.
Except for
That's
the cutting.
right.
Cut all your strips ahead of time and then show them how to do this, and you will have your little ones making a wreath in no time.
I
for
love that. And
Christmas.
they can
I
be,
love that.
They can be doing the project with us. And then
Absolutely.
you know that's going to be
Absolutely.
the first one they want to display.
That's right.
So again, this has not, we did this a few years
That's right.
ago, but I love how the pinking blade, that accordion fold gives it this kind of almost, not a ruffle, but it's more feminine. It's cuter. I didn't think it could
just
get
cute.
cuter. So get the kit. That's the way to go.
Absolutely.
You'll get your instructions included.
Yep.
Obviously, the exact same fabrics you're seeing. Your metal frame. Pick up your Wonder Clips. Those are
Wonder
key.
clips are key here.
And obviously,
they really are. And the pinking blade. Yes.
And again, if you are like, I want to have some coordinating projects, hopefully
love
there's
this
a kit
collection.
there for you, as well as its coordinating backing. Subscribe. Tammy and I love doing
Absolutely.
video for you. We have so much on deck for the new year, and you don't want to miss out.
That's right.
So thanks for giving us a few minutes of your day, and we'll see you soon.